This is Prestige Rental Solutions presenting a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit on Washington Street in Braintree. In this unit, as we walk in to the eating kitchen area, you can see the unit was just freshly painted. Hardwood floors throughout this apartment, just sanded and refinished. Brand new renovated kitchen with full-size stove, built-in microwave, nice oak cabinets, new countertops, has disposal in the sink, built-in dishwasher, full-size refrigerator, and good cabinet space for storage. Heat and hot water is included in this unit. Tenant just pays electric for the stove and for the lights. Living room has a bay window built in. This is a front-facing unit. Heat and hot water is included. It is baseboard heat. Again, just freshly painted. Hardwood floors throughout. Has intercom system, also individual heat control. Unit is wired for a cable, high-speed internet. You would pay for that. There's a coat closet off the living room. Walking from the living room down the hallway, you have 2 bedrooms. You have a full-size bathroom, brand new oak fixtures, medicine cabinet, light rack vanity, new toilet, new tub wall kit, very clean. Also, there is a pantry / linen closet outside the bathroom with shelf space. 1 bedroom is a kid's bedroom with a double door closet, 1 window. Then you have the master bedroom, which has 2 windows, large double door closet. Again, this is heat and hot water included. Tenant just pays electric for the lights and for the stove. This unit is available now or for January 1st. Please contact us.